can you use Hammerite on plastic? Now that's the big question, and let's see if you actually can. So I have Hammerite Smooth and Hammered Hammerite, and let's see them both on plastic. So first let's paint this plastic tub here. Now I'm not going for perfection here, I'm just seeing if you can actually paint plastic. And I'm going to first paint the Hammered Hammerite on this plastic tub here. Once we've done that, we'll paint the Hammerite Smooth onto this one here. What I do notice, the Smooth wipes off as you repaint, so you have to lightly paint over the plastic. So I'll leave them to cure and come back in a moment to see what they look like once it's cured in different lights. So we're back after 4 hours, which is when you can give it another coat. However, it does take a couple of days to fully cure. I'm not going to give it another coat, I'm just going to see how it reacted. And as you can see here, the difference between the Smooth on the left and the Hammered on the right. And you can bend that plastic without it damaging the Hammerite on both the Smooth and the Hammered. Now let's go and have a look what it looks like in different lights. So we can see here in full sun, on the left the Smooth is really smooth and very shiny on plastic, and the Hammered on the right, you can see that traditional pitting. Let's move over to a bit of shade. You can see the difference between the two. Now the question is, can you use Hammerite on plastic? And the answer is yes. It works quite well and is quite flexible on the actual plastic. So let us know in the comments what you'll actually be painting Hammerite on and what plastic products you'll be painting on. I'd be interested to hear. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.